This is Gail of 876 Documents, and while I wait for my order from the original dumpling shop, yes, the original dumpling shop, I have a word to the wise. Recently, yes? My order is ready. Okay, so let me finish my PSA. Recently when I went to Canada, I had a client who wanted help with her passport getting the application right because she attempted to travel to the US from Canada for work and was told that she could not because her passport did not have enough time. So, if you did not know this, if you are traveling to a country for which a visa is required, you need to have at least 6 months on your passport. This goes for most countries. Not all, so you should check what the requirements are for the country that you're going to, but you need to have 6 months at least, plus the time you're going to be there. Some countries are 3 months, but of course for the US, and we know the relationship with our passport and the US, so that one is definitely 6 months. Needless to say, she missed out on getting that job